Hello everyone, my name's Steven Lyon and welcome to another SafeSend Shorts video. Today what we're going to be talking about is another integration of ours, and that is the Stripe payment processing integration. Now, as most of you know, you can add a URL to any payment processor that you would like to in SafeSend. When you do that, your client, while going through their tax return, has the ability to look at their invoice, review it, and hit that little Pay Now button on the bottom right of the screen to go launch whichever payment processor you choose. Now, you can put any URL in there, whether it's CPA charge, quick fee, PayPal, Square, whichever. Okay, but we do have direct integration with Stripe. And so that's what I want to talk about today. So what I'm going to do is just kind of take you through what it looks like, just some screenshots. We won't go into the product and click around. This will be a very quick video for you, but I just want to give you a heads up on what it is, what we offer, and what you can do with it. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. So setting up the Stripe integration is done in your SafeSend return settings. When you log in, you'll see under settings and vouchers and invoices that you can enable payments, and then you can choose how you want those payments to come from the clients. So you can either add a third-party URL, or if you have a Stripe account or want to start a Stripe account, you could go ahead and choose the Stripe integration. Now, once you select that, you'll go ahead and set that up, get started with Stripe, enter in your login credentials, and then once it's set up, you'll be good to go. Now, the first part to this is the firm side. When you are processing a return and you get to the Invoices tab, you're actually going to have two options. Now, you'll enter in the amount of your invoice just like you do normally, and then you can choose to not send an invoice, or you can just go ahead and send. But you also have the ability to require your taxpayer to pay their invoice before they can go on and review the return in their experience. Now, this does not have to be done for every client. You can pick and choose, but this is what the integration gives you. It gives you that ability to require payment before they move on. So you can make sure that you folks get paid first. Now, on the client experience of that, when they see their invoice and they click that Pay Now button, they'll actually get a pop-up that tells them their amount that they owe and then asks them to enter their credit card info right here on the screen. So we don't actually take them into a new tab or a different system or anything. It happens right here. Now, if you're requiring the payment, they will see this pop-up before they move on and review their return. Okay? You do not have to do this, but it is an option. If you do not require it, they will see both the normal options, Pay Now or Continue. Again, if they hit Pay Now, that pop-up for the credit card will pop up, and then they can also continue on to review and pay later if they would like. Now, two important things about this integration. Number one is you can require the client to make a payment before they actually go through and review their return. So we bring a pop-up that says, hey, here's your amount, enter your credit card info, make the payment. Number two is, although Stripe does offer multiple payment options, credit card, ACH, pay later, the integration only works with credit card. So your client cannot pay with any of those other payment methods that Stripe offers when that integration is set up. It will be credit card only via that pop-up that we saw on the screen. Either way, it's a very effective tool for getting payments first before the client moves on and can possibly help you get paid a little bit quicker. Okay, that's all I've got for the Stripe integration today. That's how it works, how it looks. If you have any questions, please visit our website, safesend.com, or reach out to our support team or your customer success manager. Again, my name's Steven Lyon. Thank you for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.